Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update form validation with React Hook Form UX patterns, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update form validation with React Hook Form, begin by ensuring you have the necessary packages installed. Import the useForm hook from React Hook Form into your component. Next, initialize the useForm hook to set up your form. Define your form fields and their validation rules within the setup of useForm. Use the register method from useForm to bind your form inputs to React Hook Form. Include any validation rules directly within the register method. For example, add required, min-length, or pattern validation as necessary. Handle form submission by defining an onSubmit function. Pass this onSubmit function to the handleSubmit method provided by useForm. Within the onSubmit function, process your form data as required. To handle errors, use the errors object returned by the useForm hook. Render error messages conditionally based on the errors present. Incorporate UI feedback for valid and invalid inputs. For better user experience, consider debouncing validation errors and showing them in real time. You may experiment with custom validation rules using the validate option within the register method. Ensure to test your form thoroughly to catch any edge cases. Apply consistent styling to error messages to enhance visibility. Finally, refactor your code to ensure modularity and reusability where appropriate. By following these steps, you'll create a robust form validation system with React Hook Form that enhances user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.